My name is Michael E. Clay. Welcome to the World Hunting Club. Who am I? Firearms collector, world traveler, eccentric. Recently I've come across a specimen which I find suitable of a full gun review. The CVA Optima pistol. Now the first time I saw this thing in real life I said, whoa, this is gonna hurt. The recoil must be substantial. So, what does any world traveler eccentric do? Took the Team GSSG in Northern California and said, show me what it does. Here's what it did.
Hi, I'm Michael E. Clay with the World Hunting Club, here with Team GSSG, and we just completed our test review of the Optima 50 cal pistol from CVA. We put this gun side by side with the 44 Magnum and the 45 long Colt to show you what the recoil, stopping power, and accuracy overall is. Let's go see how she did. Magnum, 240 grain.
.250 grains, slick load Sabot with 100 grains at 777. 80 grains at 777, 348 grain power belt.
Ready?
Yep. It's tough, huh?
So, as you just saw, the recoil off the 50 is much more substantial than that of the 44 or the 45. However, you're sending much more grains down range. Stopping power is going to be there for you. And also, this is not necessarily a target pistol that you're going to take out and shoot 100 or 1,000 rounds a day at the range. You're going to get it honed in, and then you're going to take her out in the field to let her do what she does best, stop big game. I'm telling you, there's nothing like this on the market. Between the QR, easy in, easy out, no socket wrench, no tools required. The cleaning of this thing takes seconds. I was able to reload and get a ball down range in, I would say, about 45 seconds. In, out, done. This is it. The stopping power is immense. FPS is immense. And dollar for dollar, there's nothing like it out on the market. I'm a fan. I'm telling you, even though I'm known for shooting the fast 44s and the 45s, this one banger, it's like a Harley. It's great on the weekends. It's going to be a lot of fun. I know you're going to enjoy it just as much as we did here with Team GSSG. Once again, Michael E. Clay with the World Hunting Club. Shoot right, shoot straight, and shoot safe. See you next time.